social media feed is probably lying to you about how easy it is to clean your driveway. You have seen those clips. A person points a simple metal stick at a mud cake truck, and poof, the dirt vanishes like magic. These ads for the so-called high-pressure power washer wand are everywhere lately. They promise the world for a fraction of the cost of a real machine. They say you can ditch the heavy gas tanks. They say you can forget about finding an electrical outlet. It sounds like the ultimate life hack for anyone tired of seeing moss on their patio. But we need to take a cold, hard look at the physics before you pull out your wallet. This device is essentially a glorified nozzle. It is a long metal tube that screws onto your standard garden hose. You get a little lever to control the flow. You also get a couple of different tips for a jet or a fan spray. That is it. There is no motor inside. There is no pump to actually generate new force. If your home is weak water pressure, this wand is not going to magically fix that. It relies entirely on what is already coming out of your spigot. Think of it like putting your thumb over the end of the hose. Sure, the water shoots further. It feels sharper. But you are just concentrating the existing flow into a smaller exit point. The marketing wording is incredibly clever and honestly a bit misleading. Calling it a power washer is a massive stretch. I've seen these things in action on real-world grime. If you are just rinsing off some light dust from your car, or watering plants that are way in the back of a flower bed, it is actually quite handy. It is lightweight and simple to store. But if you think this is going to strip old paint off a fence or blast away deep oil stains on concrete, you are going to be standing there for a very long time with nothing to show for it. The build quality is another area where the budget price tag shows its true colors. Many of these units are made from thin metals and cheap plastic fittings. You might find yourself dealing with leaks at the handle within the first few uses. Some people report the seals failing as soon as they turn the water on full blast. It is a classic case of getting what you pay for. There is a huge gap between a $20 hose attachment and a $300 dedicated pressure washer. One is a rinsing tool. The other is a demolition tool. If you go into this purchase knowing that you are just buying a better way to spray your garden, you might be happy. It saves you from bending over. It gives you a bit more reach. But do not expect it to perform miracles on your crusty driveway. The viral videos often use loose dirt or even fake mud. These materials wash away easily. They make the tool look much more powerful than it actually is. It is a bit of a trick. In the end, this wand is a decent addition to your gardening shed if you keep your expectations grounded in reality. It is great for a quick car wash or cleaning the siding on your house if it is not too far gone. Just do not sell your actual pressure washer yet. You're going to need that real horsepower for the tough jobs. Always check the fittings. Buy some extra rubber washers to prevent those inevitable drips. Stay smart about the gadgets you see in 30-second clips. Physics usually wins over marketing every single time.